Make a great choice today with the 2016 RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: autonomous braking, stability control, traction control, remote engine start, power steering, voice-activated navigation system, child safety locks, audio, internet radio, Pandora, compass, fog lights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.